How to get bank statement from Raiffeisen Bank. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Raiffeisen Bank statement, whether you're using the app or online banking. First, open your Raiffeisen Bank mobile app and log in securely. Go to the Accounts section, then tap on the account you want the statement for. Now, look for the Documents or Statements tab. Here you'll find all your monthly statements. Select the month you need, then tap Download or Share to save it as a PDF. If you're using Raiffeisen online banking, the steps are similar. Log in, click on My Accounts, then Statements and Documents. Choose your date range, then download the statement directly to your computer. And if you prefer paper statements, you can always visit your nearest branch or contact customer support to have them mailed to you. That's it. You now know how to get your Raiffeisen Bank statement easily. Thanks for watching.